Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am AttiDude. If you haven't liked yet, subscribe my channel yet, do it now. I'll provide more content like this. So the topic of today's video is classes. What are classes? A class is an extensive program code template for creating objects. A class can have multiple variables and functions. A class can further have a subclass. A class is defined by using a keyword, class. The file should be saved as the same name of the class. For example, if I write the name of the class as my first class, so the file name should also be saved as my first class, or else the code will not be executed and the error will be shown on the screen. So member accessibility. Any property field have member accessibility, which means the accessibility of that property field. Member accessibility is generally divided into three main parts: public, private, and protected. General class structure. Here is the blackboard, and I will show you what is the general class structure of the classes. Okay, so keyword class first. Class structure. Structure is the name of the class. We open up a curly bracket, written variables, and we open a function, void my function. Open up a curly bracket. We have written the functionality, what would be executed during the runtime, and close that curly bracket of the my function, and now we close the curly bracket of the class structure, and the file name should also be saved as structure, or else none of the code will work. Error will be shown on the screen. So thank you for watching, guys, and if you haven't liked, share, subscribe my channel yet, do it now. I'll provide more content like this. I am AttiDude signing out.